Hi, Sandy from the Garage Door Company and the Regional Installations Manager. We're in Sandhurst today to fit a timber retractable Cardale garage door. Right, let's get started.
I had to replace the door because I got a new car and it was too wide for the existing door. Cars like us are getting fatter. I chose the Garage Door Company because at first I liked their website. When I rang them, they were very responsive. The rep came out and was very knowledgeable on the products available. I chose a timber door because that was how the original door was, and I wanted to keep the same look of the house. So far, I'm extremely happy, and I'm sure I'm going to continue to be so.